Hello class 7. This is your rapid class, and in this class I am going to start with the chapter number 10, and the name of the chapter is Meeting Him. So in the previous video we had completed up to chapter number 9, and there we saw that Michael Henchard requested Mr. Farfrae several times, and after that we saw that in Michael Henchard's place Farfrae went, and Suzanne requested her daughter to go to Michael Henchard's place, and informed him about them. So Elizabeth went to that place, went to Michael Henchard's place, and he was told by Mr. Farfrae that Michael Henchard was busy at that time, and she should wait for some time because Michael Henchard was busy. We have also seen that Michael Henchard was a very wealthy person, and he had lots and lots of grains at his home, and also we have seen that at the last moment, when Donald Farfrae was leaving to Bristol, at the last moment Michael Henchard requested him, and that means Donald Farfrae also agreed to the proposal, and he stayed at Michael Henchard's place. Okay, so we are going to start from the page number 41. So if you have the book, so please take it out and turn to page number 41. Elizabeth Jane sat there, waiting for Henchard. After a while, Henchard opened the door of an inner office, just as a man came in. So Elizabeth Jane was waiting there, and she was sitting over there and waiting for Michael Henchard. After some time, Henchard opened the door, and Elizabeth Jane was about to come into the room, and there was a man also, and he just surpassed Elizabeth Jane, and he went to Michael Henchard. The man walked in ahead of Elizabeth Jane. She heard him introduce himself to Henchard as Joshua Job, the new manager. So the man, whose name was Joshua Job, he introduced himself as Joshua Job, and the man went to Michael Henchard's place, and he just introduced himself that he was Joshua Job. Okay. Henchard told him gruffly that the new manager was already in the office. Not only Joshua Job told his name, but also he informed that he was the new manager of Michael Henchard's place. So Michael Henchard was actually he gave the answer to that man in a very annoying manner. Okay, he very sharply he gave the answer that it's not possible, because you are not the manager of this factory, because already the manager had been chosen. He reminded Job that he had been called on Thursday, and since he had not reached, a new manager had been appointed. So what happened? So when Joshua Job informed himself that he was the new manager of Michael Henchard's place, so Michael Henchard was giving the answer in a very sharp manner, and he told that no, it was not possible, because already the man, that means the manager, had been chosen. And as Joshua Job was informed that he should come to that place on Thursday, and he did not come. So obviously this post had been given to another man. The new man replied that he had been given two options, Thursday or Saturday. He took out a letter to prove his point. So the new man was he wanted to prove his point, that why he had come on Saturday. That was Saturday, and the man had come on Saturday, and he was proving his point that why he had come on Saturday, because already two options were there in the letter, and it was written either he could come on Thursday or he could come on Saturday. So he had chosen on Saturday to come on Saturday. So that's why he came to that place on Saturday. But Henchard was not moved. But Henchard did not he did not accept that fact. Okay, and he did not say anything. And what happened? As he came out, Elizabeth Jane noticed how angry and disappointed he was. Elizabeth Jane entered. So, Michael Henchard did not approve, and the man, that means Joshua Job, was very much disappointed and very much angry, and he just left the place. Okay, and he went to he left the place and he went to another place. Then Elizabeth Jane entered into Michael Henchard's place. When he asked her why she was there, she requested to speak to him alone. Now, Michael Henchard told that what was the reason of Elizabeth's arrival. So Elizabeth told that she wanted to talk to Michael Henchard alone. So at this, he gave her a close look. So when Elizabeth told that she wanted to talk to Michael Henchard personally, so Michael Henchard was actually very much surprised, and he just gave a look. Means he just saw. He noticed thoroughly Elizabeth. She told him about Susan Newson, the widow of a sailor who was in town. Now, that means why she came to that place, why she came to Michael Henchard's place, it was revealed. Elizabeth Jane told that she knew a widow whose name was Susan Newson, and she came to that place, and she came to that town, that means Casterbridge town. Mr. Henchard could barely speak. So what happened? Mr. Henchard could not talk. He could not able to speak because all those past incident came into his mind, and he was actually thinking about his wife, whom he sold several years back, and he was repenting also. And suddenly one lady has come, and she told that she knew his wife, and his wife was also in the town. So obviously that man was very much astonished, and he could not able to speak. Okay.